This is Andy with Fat Man's Garage, getting ready to take and start a upgrade for our beater with a heater shop truck. Going to do the Trailblazer SS intake swap. We're also got some other plans for this truck as well. It's going to have a 200 shot of nitrous, looking at a big cam, exhaust. So instead of doing the Corvette fuel filter adapter to go an easy route, we're going to take and do an adjustable fuel pressure regulator here. And we're going to use the EFI, the Holley EFI fuel rails. Right now I've got 50-pound injectors that go into it. Got all of our AN fittings all set up. All those came from Power Components. They're not the shiny aluminum ones or anodized ones, but this is a beater with a heater, so we're not worried about pretty. Got some fuel line here. Got our big massive 92 millimeter throttle body from Jegs. Got our adapter for adapting the cable over. Our adapters here for going into the push lock factory style fuel to the AN style. A lot of this stuff came from Glenn's Performance. Did a nice job giving me some advice on that. So kind of watch along and we will try to shoot some more videos of us putting everything on.